Jacob. Yeah. Kick down. Lovely. Nice, Jacob. Good. Angles on the way back side. Lovely, Jacob.
Chin down when you're moving up.
Pick the right hand up and well on the inside, Jay. Pick the lead hand up, Jay. That's it.
Having your position, don't worry. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to be?
Like, Jacob want the hand defense better. When we get in the range, I want combinations, Jacob. Lovely, lovely. We can put hands on the end, Jacob.
To the right. To the right. To the right. Don't go too far back.
Aye, good. Good defense. To the left, Jay.
Throw it out. Lean back.
Yeah, we can counter that with our left foot, Jay. Lovely, good lad. Lovely, Jacob. Lovely. Good defense, Jacob. Nice, good lad.
Stay on top. Stay on.
Keep your shape, keep your discipline, Jacob.
Step to your right. Look for some body shot.
Our counters. Keep the movement, Jay. Keep the little angles as well.
Looking for one big shot. There, Jay. Double down.
They switched on as soon as you get in that range. You switch straight on. Defensively, yes. Okay.
Remember the cross shot.
Good. Give us some combinations in there though, Jack, yeah? Good lad. They switched on defensively, Jay. Keep the hand up. Keep them hands up, Jacob.
Good. Yeah.
Jacob, we keep the hands up when you're in that range. Think about defense. Good lad. Good, hands up. Defensively, get down. Jacob, get your shape strong. Get that shape strong.
Time up.
Place up in there. Place up.
Good. Yeah. Two.
Come on.
Defend. Start.
Stand higher, Jacob. Jacob, excellent. Yeah, look. Shake.
Up. Nice, that one.
Jacob, get our hands high.
Two.
Let's get the range back to the hands, Jake. Hands high, Jacob. Hands high. Let's counter.
Good. Yeah.
Even there, Jake. Don't step back too far.
Two.
Nice, Jacob. Good lad.
Good. Yeah. Two.
Again. Shape. Little angles off, Jake. Here you go. Check that up, Jake.
Up. Two.
Jacob, angle. Let's counter that. Good. Angle. Shape. Hands up, Jake.
Up. Up. Okay.
Man, man.
Okay.
Let's go.
Careful.
Get them
Okay.
hands
Two.
up high, Jay, in that range. Lovely, Jacob. Good lad.
Up. Step. Two.
Nice, Jacob. Lovely. Good lad.
Up. Back. Two.
Kick the leg, Jake. Oh, there you go. Nice. Good
back. No trip. Choke!
30 seconds left in the second round.
Choke! You, Yak! Yak!
Stop the pace now. Stop the pace now.
Choke!
Nice, Jacob. Get that defense better, Jake.
10 seconds. Time.
Don't forget the lay backs, yeah? And the counters, come on. They switched on, mate. Good lad, come on. The legs here all the time, Jacob. The legs, the low tip.
Good. Yak! Choke! Up. Yak!
Jacob, let's tap.
Choke!
Tapping the lead leg as well again, come on.
Let's go.
Good lad.
Choke!
Get that low tip move, Jake.
So let's go, Jay, now. Let's go.
Choke!
Let's go through the gears, Jacob. Let's go. Step on. Let's go. Push him back. Good. And again, push him back, Jake.
Step around.
Good. Yak! Choke!
Round the back could be like that.
Throw combinations, Jacob. No singles. Don't just walk in. Let the hands go, Jake. Whoa.
Yak! Choke!
Let's go, right elbow.
Get the backhand up, Jacob.
Good. Yak! Choke!
Pick the hand up. Jake, go on combinations with the hand.
Up! Back! Choke!
Come on, Jake. Let them hands go. We get into range
Up.
using threes, Jacob. Take down the pipe.
Up! Choke!
Together, come on, let's go.
Good. Initiate, Jacob.
Good. Yak! Guys, no holding.
Last 30
Choke!
seconds, Jacob. Go through the gears, Jacob. Come on. Dig in, Jake. Let's go. Last 30 seconds, Jacob.
30 seconds left in the
Jake.
final
Come on,
round.
Jacob. Let's go. Good lad. Push on, Jake.
Up! Let's go, guys. Choke! Good. Yak! Choke!
Jake.
Let's go. Let's go.
Time!
Your winner by unanimous decision and advancing to the semi-final, Rotang Jitwang